What's up, guys? It's Friday. I'm making this quick video. It's getting dark, but I figured I'd turn it on, do a cold start. It's about 60 degrees outside. Haven't turned it on all day, but I fixed that gas line, so that filter is no longer in there. So you'll see how it starts with a fresh, cold engine. Let's go. I don't know if you can hear this. I'm not sure how loud it is, but it's idling pretty high right now, but you can see the oil's coming out. But it's running. I actually have the timing light out here, and I'm gonna just see what the timing is and see what happens. Flip the throttle a little bit, see if it settles down. See, I loosened the distributor there just to mess with the timing. I'm going to put the timing light on and see what it's at. So you see it's smoking up pretty good already. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely burning oil. Let's see what happens with the timing light. So you tell me. I think that's a dirty carb. I don't know what's going on, but we'll see. Hearing lots of loud noises. Could need a whole top end rebuild. Who knows? I don't know. Take some more measurements and find out. Hey, what's up, guys? It's the next day. And I'm out here trying to get some better news, better running. So I took apart the left carburetor, the one on the driver's side for 3 and 4, and rebuilt it. That's this one. At least I hope it's this one. Yeah. And it was all gunked up in there, and took everything out, laid everything out, and cleaned it. It's really nice and clean. Adjusted it. So hopefully this one is good, because yesterday when I did the engine run test, which is just a previous video, I spliced these together. I don't know if you heard, but there's this huge clacking after it ran. And then after that, while it was running, I actually pulled the spark plugs for each section of the distributor. And let me go over there. Let me bring this because I'm going to adjust the valves. By the way, this is an original printing. I bought this on eBay. It's from like 74 or something. It looks like a repro, but it's not. But either way, and it was cheap. It was like 20 bucks on eBay or something. But I got it jacked up in the backyard because that's how we maintain Porsches, apparently. But I pulled the plug. I pulled the each one just to see the RPM drop, and 1 and 2 equal drop, 3 and 4 no drop at all, because 3 and 4 weren't firing. So I took everything off, obviously carbs and everything. I can't get this thing off, but we'll mess with that later. And I'm adjusting the valves now, so I have it set to top dead center for cylinder 1. And let me show you what happened. So that noise that was happening, that clacking, I was like, oh no, it's a rod that's been thrown. And you have all these, oh, I hope it's not anything bad. And it never is. It's always something terrible. Well, lo and behold, on number 2 cylinder, I haven't put a wrench on these at all. This is loose. And actually, I already tied it in. This was all the way out almost. It almost fell out. This was literally like this. And that push rod right here, it was just like that. It was just, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna get my hand out of the way. It was just moving around like that. Look at that. So hopefully I didn't ding this rod up, but it was literally looked like that when I opened it. It was all the way out and just loose. And so that's not good that it was running like that for sure, but at least it's not a connecting rod about to exit the side of the vehicle. So when I adjust cylinder number 2, I'll make sure that intake valve is adjusted properly. But right now I'm going to just do this whole thing. We do cylinder 1. This is the intake valve. That's the exhaust valve, if I remember correctly. It makes sense to me. That's where the exhaust comes out right there. But I'll do this adjustment on all 4 cylinders, put those carbs back in, turn it on, see if that clacking goes away. And then if it does, I'll change the distributor out and see what goes on. But for now, actually looks pretty good in here. No rust or anything. No water came out when I took the valve cover off or anything like that. Looks okay. And yeah, I'm out here in the grass, but I'd rather be out here than inside right now. The weather's great. So either way, I'll slice all these together. Hopefully I'll make one video of 2 days worth of work. Yeah, let's see. See ya.